it's Adam over at A2i, and I am here today to show you how to measure all the specs of your wheel. First thing first, most aftermarket wheels and OEM wheels will have stampings on the back of each spoke. You're gonna look for, like right here, this one actually has the style of the wheel, MO970. And then it says 20 by 10J. 20 is the rim width, or the rim diameter. 10 is the rim width. Right below that, it has ET -24. That is the offset. To measure the back spacing, the best thing to do is get a straight edge right across here. And you just take your handy dandy ruler, measure right here, and it'll give you your back spacing. You're gonna measure right to the back lip of the wheel from the mounting pad. To measure the rim width, if you don't have it stamped, or you can't get to that, or you can't read it because it's too dirty, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually measure the bead of the wheel. So you're not gonna measure outside to outside. If you measure here, this wheel's gonna measure 11. What you wanna do is you wanna measure the bead of the wheel. So inside bead to inside bead is 10 inches wide. And then you'll wanna do the same thing here. It's a little bit trickier because you can't measure the actual bead, but I measure the inside lips right there. You get 20 inches. You're gonna have to estimate it a little bit because the depth of the metal there is a little over, but it's 20 inches right there. And then bolt pattern, I have a nice little bolt pattern gauge that I use to measure the bolt pattern. That we will get into another time. Thanks and have a great day.